Ultimately, the responsibility of any prosecuting attorney is to be a minister of justice. If elected Gove County Attorney, I will strive to be a minister of justice by holding people accountable and trying to bring justice in every situation. As a prosecutor, I do not have any client other than the state. My primary focus as a prosecutor is to discover what the truth is in any situation and allow justice to prevail. I am committed to making certain that every criminal defendant has a fair, public, and speedy trial, making certain that the accused's rights are protected so that we can ultimately seek out justice, not just a criminal conviction. If elected your Gove County Attorney, this is my firm resolve to seek justice in all things.